Hey, what's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect skillet cornbread. Now, you probably want to know what makes it perfect. It's those crispy edges, right? The fluffiness, and then you pair it with a little bit of butter and some honey. You got the perfect cornbread, right? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it simple for you. Now it's holiday season and you're gonna be making a lot of stuff, right? So I'm gonna show you just what to do to make the process simple so you can get the perfect cornbread each time. Hey, I got you the game. Let's go down to this workstation. This right here, this White Lily buttermilk cornmeal mix. This is all what you need right here. You don't need flour and cornmeal. This right here will get you in the game. Now it has the perfect amount of baking soda, baking powder, salt. So you don't have to worry about all those measurements. That's what makes this absolutely simple, and it's gonna come out right every time. Now I'm making a bit batch of cornbread because I'm gonna make a bit batch of dressing. So I got me like 4 cups. You can, cut this recipe in half and you'll be in the game. Now I got me a little bit of sugar. You can mix this if you like. Then I'm going in with 2 eggs, some butter, and then of course you gotta have that buttermilk. So let's go ahead and get these ingredients in this bowl, and then we're gonna be in the game. So we're gonna get our ingredients in this bowl. Now I got me some butter. This is slightly melted. What you can do is go with room temperature butter, but I put this in the microwave for about 20 seconds, right? And that'll be perfect. We don't want this butter to be hot, but we want it to be able to be worked with, right? Going in with my 2 eggs. And then we're gonna get everything mixed in with the egg and that butter and that buttermilk before we add into this mixture, our dry mix. Yes, I'm gonna add my sugar in here. And like I said, you could omit your sugar. And that kind of looks like brown sugar, but that's unbleached sugar, unbleached white sugar. And you don't have to go with sugar if you don't like. So I know some of my fam in the comments gonna be like, why are you putting sugar in that cornbread? Hey fam, again, you don't have to go with it. Now I'm gonna add my cornmeal mix. So we got 3 cups of buttermilk, and your mixture should look like that. Again, you should have lumps, right? It's gonna be lumpy. But if it's like that, just a little thicker than pancake batter, hey, you in the game. Now let's pull out this cast iron skillet from the oven. So we got our hot skillet out the oven. And what we want to do is we want to drop our butter in and listen to it sizzle. Now at this time, what we want to do is we want to coat this pan. And we want to get the sides too, and that's going to help you achieve that golden brown exterior of that cornbread once you get it on those sides like that. And then all you got to do is put your cornbread into that pan, that skillet, and we're gonna be in the game, fam. And then we want to smooth out the top. Is we're gonna place this back into the oven, and we're gonna let this roll out, and we'll see you guys in a little bit.
And when your cornbread comes out the oven looking absolutely gorgeous and delicious like that and golden brown, hey, this is gonna be the absolute best cornbread for making cornbread dressing. Now all you got to do is make sure that it's done. Take your toothpick out, and if it comes out clean like this, hey fam, you in the game. Now smack your kids' hands, tell them they can't eat this, but you see those crispy edges, hey, we gonna be in the game.